This 1-cent coin may look modern, but it carries 200 years of American history in its design, because the 2009 Lincoln Bicentennial Penny was created to honor the birth of Abraham Lincoln, a man born in a log cabin in 1809, who rose to lead a divided nation through its darkest hour, marked with the powerful words liberty and e pluribus unum. This coin entered circulation during a time of global economic crisis, making its message of unity, resilience, and perseverance more meaningful than ever. And as it passed silently through millions of hands, it reminded the world that even in uncertain times, the values that built a nation can still be carried in the smallest piece of money. So let's get started. First up, the 2009 1-cent coin of the United States of America, bearing the timeless words liberty and e pluribus unum, is far more than a modern penny, because it was born in a year when America deliberately paused to remember its past while facing an uncertain future, marking the bicentennial of the birth of Abraham Lincoln, a leader whose life story continues to define the nation's identity. This coin entered circulation during one of the most challenging economic periods of the 21st century, when families across the country were struggling, jobs were uncertain, and trust in financial systems was shaken. Yet this small cent quietly carried a message of unity and resilience, reminding citizens that the nation had survived hardship before and would endure again. Struck at the Denver Mint, the D Mint mark beneath the date signifies not just a place of production, but the continuation of a long tradition of American craftsmanship, precision, and purpose, even in an age dominated by digital transactions and virtual money. Unlike ordinary years, 2009 was different because the U.S. Mint chose to tell a story through the penny itself, releasing special reverse designs that illustrated Lincoln's life journey, from his humble birth and formative years, through hard labor, intellectual growth, and ultimately leadership during the nation's greatest crisis, transforming the 1-cent coin into a circulating historical narrative rather than mere currency. Every time this penny changed hands, it carried with it lessons of perseverance, self-education, sacrifice, and unity, values deeply embedded in Lincoln's legacy and desperately relevant to the modern era. The word liberty on the obverse, simple yet profound, stands as a reminder that freedom is not inherited automatically, but preserved through responsibility and struggle, while e pluribus unum, meaning out of many one, speaks directly to the American experiment itself, emphasizing unity and diversity during a time when political, economic, and social divisions were becoming increasingly visible. As these coins entered daily circulation, they passed through grocery stores, gas stations, schools, factories, and homes, silently observing the rhythms of modern life, while echoing stories from 2 centuries earlier. A child receiving a 2009 penny as change may never have noticed its historical significance. Yet that same coin symbolically linked Lincoln's 19th century America to a 21st century nation grappling with globalization, technological transformation, and economic recovery in a world where physical money was slowly losing relevance. This penny served as proof that tangible objects still matter, because they connect people across generations in ways that digital numbers never can. The Denver Mint's role in producing the 2009 cent highlights the scale and discipline of modern minting operations, where advanced machinery ensures uniformity and precision. Yet even within such controlled environments, every coin embarks on a unique journey once released, acquiring marks, wear, and subtle changes that reflect human interaction and time itself. These imperfections do not diminish the coin's importance. Instead, they enhance it because they tell stories of movement, exchange, and survival, transforming identical pieces of metal into individual witnesses of history. Over time, as fewer coins are used and more transactions become electronic, the 2009 penny has quietly shifted from everyday object to cultural artifact, representing a turning point not only in Lincoln commemoration, but also in how societies perceive money, value, and permanence. It reminds us that even in an age of rapid change, nations still rely on symbols to communicate ideals, and coins remain among the most honest storytellers, incapable of rewriting themselves, locked permanently to their date, message, and purpose. Holding this penny today is like holding a bridge between centuries, connecting the struggles of a log cabin boy who became president with the challenges of a modern nation navigating uncertainty and renewal. Ultimately, the 2009 D1 cent coin is not about wealth or rarity. It is about meaning, memory, and continuity. It stands as a reminder that liberty is ongoing, unity is essential, and history does not live only in monuments or books, but also in the smallest objects we overlook every day. This single cent proves that even in a digital world, metal still speaks, and when we take the time to listen, we discover that the quietest coins often carry the loudest and most enduring stories of all. Next up, the 2009 1-cent coin of the United States of America, carrying the timeless inscriptions Liberty and E Pluribus Unum, is not just a modern penny, but a powerful historical bridge that connects 2 centuries of American identity. Because the year 2009 marked 200 years since the birth of Abraham Lincoln in 1809, a man whose life, leadership, and legacy reshaped the nation forever. And this coin was created not merely to circulate as money, but to tell a story, to remind a modern, fast, moving world of humble beginnings, perseverance, unity, and sacrifice. Released during a time of global economic uncertainty, social change, and national reflection, the 2009 penny entered circulation quietly, yet symbolically, at a moment when Americans were questioning stability, value, and trust, making the message engraved on this small coin more relevant than ever before. Struck at major U.S. mints, including the Denver Mint, this cent carried forward Lincoln's portrait on the obverse, unchanged and dignified, a reminder that some values endure across centuries, while the words liberty and in God we trust stood as moral anchors in a rapidly evolving world, reinforcing ideals that had guided the nation through Civil War, Reconstruction, industrialization, and into the digital age. What made the 2009 coin extraordinary was not its metal or size, but its purpose, because for the first time in decades, the reverse designs of the penny were used to narrate Lincoln's life from his birth in a log cabin to his early labor, intellectual growth, and ultimate leadership, transforming everyday currency into a moving historical timeline that passed from hand to hand, pocket to pocket, without ceremony yet full of meaning. The inscription, E Pluribus Unum, meaning out of many, one, resonated deeply in 2009, just as it had in Lincoln's own era, reminding Americans that unity is not automatic but achieved through shared struggle, compromise, and vision, especially during times of division and hardship. As these coins circulated through grocery stores, schools, factories, gas stations, and homes, they silently witnessed modern American life unfolding. Children receiving change without realizing they were holding history, workers spending pennies earned through long hours, families saving small amounts during uncertain times, each interaction adding an invisible layer of human experience to the coin's journey. Unlike digital transactions that leave no physical trace, this 1-cent piece absorbed wear, scratches, and fading, each mark becoming evidence of real life, real movement, and real people, reinforcing the idea that history is not clean or perfect, but shaped by use, endurance, and time. The connection between 1809 and 2009 embedded in this penny serves as a reminder that Lincoln's story was not one of privilege or ease, but of persistence, learning, and moral courage, qualities that the nation itself continues to require generation after generation. Holding this coin today is like holding a conversation between centuries, between a log cabin birth and a global superpower, between handwritten letters and digital screens, showing that while technology changes, the foundational principles of liberty, unity, and responsibility remain constant. As physical coins slowly fade from daily use in favor of electronic money, the 2009 Lincoln Bicentennial cent becomes even more significant, representing one of the last eras when history was still intentionally placed into everyday hands, accessible to everyone regardless of wealth or status, proving that national memory does not belong only in museums or textbooks, but also in the smallest objects we share. This single cent, modest and often overlooked, stands as a quiet monument to endurance, reminding us that the strength of a nation is not measured only in power or prosperity, but in its ability to remember, to honor, and to carry its values forward, even on something as small as a penny. showing once again that the smallest coin can carry the largest story, linking past, present, and future in a circle of copper, meaning, and memory.